in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving you favorite dishes, your favorite food. But today we want to talk about Jamaican Independent Day, which is coming up very soon. So I know a lot of people are going to looking for a recipe from Chef Ricardo for Jamaican Independence Day, but we want to give you a tips and idea what's going to come for Jamaican Independent Day. We got a recipe which I've been working on, and this one is Ackee and saltfish. Cooked down with some okra, and then gonna be serving with fried dumpling or with green wild banana. So our roast breadfruit, we don't know yet, but we know I want you guys to just stay tuned, look forward for this idea which is gonna come soon to the Jamaican Independent Day. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show, Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe coming up for you guys. We all know that, you know what I mean, we have recipes day by day, and you know what I mean, that's the work of the food, work of the cooking show. But basically, we want to simply say to you, if you got too much money, you can always donate something to the studio, which we have coming up very soon, and also the cooking books are coming up. There's a 50% off, and you can get your copy. But basically, today we want to say thank you so much for all who subscribe to the channel, your comments, and remember, if you doesn't subscribe, you're not gonna see what Chef Ricardo coming out with. We got a lot of recipe coming out day by day. Thank you so much, and see you next time.
We wanna feel Jamaica love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica, Jamaica love.